Okay, for number 3, again, I'm going to put this into Desmos first, and so I can be confident of the algebra I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and clear out what I've got. 4x minus 2y is equal to negative 14, and 3x minus y is equal to negative 8. And my answer that I'm shooting for is negative 6, negative 10, as long as I have every, ooh, no it's not. Gotta check our entry there. So I had negative 4 instead of 14. 4x, negative 2y, negative 14. 3x, negative y, negative 8. So the answer we're shooting for now is negative 1, 5. And we will do the algebra to support. Just like the last problem, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put parentheses around my 2 equations. I'm going to take the number in front of the top x and put it in front of the bottom equation. I'm going to take the number in front of the bottom x and put it in front of the top equation. And I'm going to make one of those negative. It doesn't matter which one. If you want to make the 4 negative down on the bottom, that's absolutely fine. And now I'm going to distribute. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, and that has an x. Negative 3 times negative 2y, negative times a negative is positive, and 3 times 2 is 6. And negative 3 times negative 14 is too early in the morning for me. Too bad in my head, is 42. Kind of running into my solution box there, so I'm going to see if I can move. Can't really move that equation, so hopefully you guys are okay with that. Maybe you can see it already. Okay, bottom equation. 4 times 3x is 12x. Again, we did that on purpose. Those two should be opposites. Okay, 4 times negative y is negative 4y. 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. And now we can add. When we add, if you took those numbers in front of x and kind of flipped their order and made one of them negative, every time those opposites are going to cancel. What we end up with over here is 6y minus 4y. So 6 minus 4 is the math we're doing there. We have 2 y's. 42 plus negative 32 on the other side of the equal sign is positive 10. And now, again, every time that's going to be a little one-step simple equation. Y equals 5. And now we need to plug back in to get x. And you can plug back into whichever equation seems similar to you. On this one, for me, I think it's this bottom equation. My new y is 5, so I'm going to fill in my equation around it. Careful with your signs there. It is minus y, so we're going to do minus 5. Now we're going to add 5 over. Negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. Divide by 3. X equals negative 1. I really like having that answer up there before I start my algebra. It helps me be a lot more confident in my steps. It'll help you find any little mistakes that you're making along the way, and hopefully it'll help you be a little bit less frustrated. This is a lot of algebra, but these steps are important, and the precision, every little piece is important. All right, number 4 is very similar. You will find a video for number 5 if you need it.